What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing a chair. So it sounds a little different than the content I usually do, but something that's super overlooked as a business owner, especially who sits in their chair 8 to 10 hours a day, is that chair, right? And for me, I had done a ton of research online, and finally, after all of the research, I found this chair, the ErgoChair 2, on Autonomous's website, and I reached out to them, and they were kind enough to send it out for me to do a review. Okay, so the thing with me is my chair actually is very comfortable. Okay, so it's not like most other people where their chair is just trash. Like, I love this chair. I've used it for 2 years. It's literally probably molded to my body. Okay, but there's a few issues. One being I've always had terrible posture. And there's no lumbar support behind me. I always like slouch. And the main thing actually that has made me want to get a new chair is this. Okay, so if you can't tell, when I wear black, it kind of looks like I have like a mullet going on here. So that's really the main reason. It wasn't the comfortability that I really wanted to change, although that's obviously important. It was mostly the look and helping me with my posture. Okay, and after all the research, like I said, I found the ErgoChair 2, which I'll have a link down below. You can even get 8% off with my code. So definitely check that out if you're interested in this. And the reason I switched back to this chair is just because I wanted to show the difference. I already put it together and I actually recorded it. So I'm probably going to do a little time lapse of that and kind of just speak over it, I guess, while I'm doing that to kind of explain a couple different things. And then I'll switch the chairs and you can see how it looks. So let's get started. All right, so first off, don't mind me in my pajamas and slippers and a hat on. I still have COVID, remember, but that's the beautiful thing about working at home, you know, and this is just me unboxing it, getting all the parts out. And this is one thing I want to show you. This is one of my favorite parts because they give you all of the screws and even the tool needed to set everything up already. So you don't need any tools, nothing. And then here I'm putting on the wheels and I tried like screwing them in, but then I realized you just have to push them in. Super simple. And got those in quick. Then you put the hydraulic thing in there. Now I'm just like taking off the sleeves of everything and laying them out for you. Now this is me reading it. And now I take out the pieces and then you just take out a screw, screw it in with the tool. And those are the armrests. Super, super quick and easy. This whole thing took me about 30 minutes. Obviously it's much quicker because I'm speeding it up. But yeah. So now I believe I flip it over and then I put the bottom harness thing on. And then there's a little piece of paper right here that says front. So that's why I turned it around. You got to make sure it's facing the front of the chair. Also, you have to make sure that you put each screw in diagonally first because they're like spring loaded. You can hear it like springing on the diagonal one. So just make sure you do that. It says it in the instructions. But yeah, so I did that. That probably took the longest. I don't know why. I was just making sure it was tight enough. And yeah, so I got that in there and simple enough. You know, I did this all by myself with the tools they gave you. Setup is super, super easy. You know what I mean? So now I'm just getting the next tools ready, like the washer and the screws, and then I put the backrest on there. Also, I should mention, like every time you need to use like washers or something, there's like a letter to mark it on the actual thing that is like your set of tools and screws and all that. So it's not confusing at all. And yeah, so I just get those 3 screws in there. And now I'm just making sure it's all tightened. Okay, so for this last part, if you have a second person, it will be helpful. But if you're just by yourself like I am, just take the bottom part and put it sideways so you can line it up with the bottom and then slowly put it all downward like I did. And then just put the headrest in with 2 little bolts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Testing it out here, spin around, and that's all she wrote. Well, I hope you liked that little time lapse. Now I'm gonna switch over my chairs and kind of point out some things that I really like about the chair and one thing that isn't my favorite, just so you can get like a full, honest review. So I'm gonna switch over to my chair. Whoa, I've never done that before. Hopefully that looked cool. But this is the new chair. I have no idea how it looks while editing or anything like that. Actually, I'm gonna check it out real quick. I will be right back. All right, I must say I am digging how it looks. It actually looks better in person than it does on pictures, which is hard to do. Usually it's the other way around. But all in all, I'll list the things I really like first, okay? So first of all, my chair, although it's very comfortable, it's very, very heavy. Like this thing is so heavy, it's like I, I can't even explain. I don't know what's in it that makes it so heavy, but trust me, however heavy you think it is, it's heavier. So I really don't like that. And this Ergo Chair 2 is so lightweight and it's actually very comfortable as well. And I love the breathable mesh on it, and I love the headrest. It looks much better than how mine does, okay? Now, there's a lot of ways you can customize it. Like there's a lot of levers and all that stuff's explained on the website much better than I could. But basically, like I said, the main thing is the lumbar support. It's brand new for me, so it takes a little bit getting used to, but it's supposed to help your posture and help you really sit up the right way, which is very important for me. So I love that. Now, the one thing I do kind of got to knock them for is the armrests. The armrests on mine are like memory foam, and this is just like, I don't know, it's like, I feel like it's plastic. It's not like the plastic you think. It's definitely, it's not, it's just a little harder than I would like it, okay? And that might be partly just not broken in yet, but I'm someone who always has their elbows on the armrest, okay? And the one difference between my chair and this chair is about 1.5 inches. So these are a little further, even pushed all the way in. So it's just taking a little bit of getting used to. But the one knock, like I said, is I wish it was like memory foam on the top, because I know not everyone puts their elbows on there all the time, and I probably shouldn't because I don't know if it's good for posture or whatever, but I do. And when I'm recording, it's a little annoying, but it's, again, I've only been using this for like a week, so yeah, takes a little bit of getting used to. But all in all, I love the chair. I think it looks just absolutely amazing, so much better looking than my chair. It's lightweight, breathable, and it will help you with your posture. So if that's what you're looking for, use the link down below and use my code to get 8% off. I think it's good till December, till like the new year. So yeah, check that out. And that's all I got. See you on the next video.